Hi everyone, welcome back to our last episode of The Secret Garden for this season. Today we're going to talk about how to get your garden ready for the winter. So if you haven't yet, you're going to want to make sure you pull out all of your vegetables, and those can go into your compost or your street cleanup collection. You can leave, if you have perennial herbs, a lot of herbs that you have in the garden are going to be perennials. You can leave those as they will come back up in the spring. But everything else we're going to clear out so that our beds are nice and empty. And then we're going to prepare the soil so it's ready to go in the spring. So we're going to put a thin layer of compost over the soil. A lot of people wait until the spring to do that, but you can do it in the fall before winter happens as well. And once the compost is over, we're going to put a thin layer of straw to help with erosion and keep all of the nutrients into that bed. And once that's done, you're pretty much done with your garden for the season, but you can also use this time and winter to clean your gardening tools, make sure things are ready to go in the spring. So if you have time, it's going to be beautiful this weekend, so get outside, make sure your garden is ready for winter, and we will see you in the spring when we're ready to plant. Bye!